In this video, we will see how to configure instance name in the monitoring policies for setting the server thresholds on TSPS console. We will see different examples of configuring the instance name. Now for an example, under processors, we have three different instances for processors, 0, 1 and the total. If you want to configure a common instance threshold for all these three instances, we will use a asterisk sign in the instance name. This is my monitoring policies. Here in the monitored instance name, you can select asterisk and then select the monitor attribute for which you want the threshold to be applied. Now let's see another example for configuring the server threshold only for one instance of these. Let's say we want to configure the server threshold for underscore total. When we click on that instance name, at the end you see the monitor name. Monitor name is also visible on top. This monitor name is what we need to enter in the instance name for the server threshold. You can enter the monitor instance name that you see on the monitor details tab. Now in agent selection criteria, there can be multiple petrol agents that you might have added in this policy. However, you want this server threshold to be set only to one of those petrol agent. In that case, you can select associate with a device. To add the device name before the monitor instance name, you need to check the monitor details again, and you can copy the petrol agent name or the device name from the monitor details tab, followed by a slash and then the instance name. Now this server threshold will be applied only for this device for underscore total instance. If you're still unsure what should be the monitor instance name, then we can get the monitor instance name also from the petrol agent query tool. For this, you can go to manage devices, go to the petrol agent, open the query petrol agent and look for the petrol SID report. This petrol SID report will give the instance name along with the SIDs of the different instances being monitored. In our case, we are looking for underscore total. So this is the instance name that we will be using in our monitoring policies. Now there can also be a scenario where one instance name is common to different other monitors as well. Like we can see the perfmon database instance name is common for the different database instances. In this scenario, we will see how we can configure the instance name if you want the threshold to be applied only for one of those such instances. So here we can see the monitor name is perfmon databases. Now after this, what we follow is the complete instance name that you can use to set the server threshold. You can use the monitor name associated with the device here, and or you can use different regex, like you can remove this until databases and you can have asterisk dot followed by the database name and then the monitor name. Now if you want to refer to the database host itself, then you can add star by removing the rest of the monitor name, and you can use this regex. So there are different ways you can use this regex to set the server thresholds, and this is the place from where we can get the monitor instance name to configure the server thresholds. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.